The digestion of lipids starts in the mouth, when you start chewing with your teeth and mechanically rip the food apart. The bolus is then pushed to the back of the throat, where the saliva and mucus lubricate it, and the food travels down the esophagus and to the stomach. The process of the food traveling to the stomach is called peristalsis. The food then enters the stomach through the cardiac sphincter. Once it gets there, the hormone gastrin is released, which triggers the release of hydrochloric acid, pepsinogen, and mucus. The stomach churns the food and mechanically breaks it apart a little more, and then the acid chyme will exit the pyloric sphincter and enter the duodenum. When fats enter the duodenum, two hormones are released. One of them is secretin. This triggers the release of all the pancreatic juices into the duodenum. The second hormone is CCK. This causes the release of bile from the gallbladder. The sodium bicarbonate found in the pancreatic juices neutralizes the acid and changes the pH to be 8.5. The bile emulsifies the fat from a fat blob into smaller fat droplets. Now that the fat blob has been chopped into smaller fat droplets because of the bile, it is easier for lipase to digest it. This is because there is more surface area. Lipase breaks the small fat droplets into fatty acids and glycerol. Fatty acids and glycerol move into the lacteals of the villi. The lacteal is part of the lymphatic system, and later the fatty acids and glycerol will be released in the subclavian vein in the shoulder. Fats can be found all over the body because they make up the cell membrane of cells. They also are long-term energy storage and insulate the body and also protect the organs.